Shopping for a midsize SUV in 2026 can feel overwhelming. With so many options promising space, technology, and performance, it's easy to end up with a vehicle that looks great on paper but becomes expensive to own later. Some SUVs deliver real long-term value with strong reliability, excellent safety ratings, and practical features that actually make daily driving easier. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the best midsize SUVs you can buy for 2026. These models stand out for their dependability, interior space, safety technology, and overall value for money. Whether you're looking for a comfortable 2-row SUV for everyday driving or a family-friendly 3-row vehicle with plenty of room, this list covers the options that make the most sense for buyers today. Let's take a closer look at the midsize SUVs that truly stand out for 2026. Number 5. Toyota 4Runner. We have the SUV many technicians describe as nearly indestructible, the Toyota 4Runner. It's not famous in repair shops for constant problems, but for how rarely it needs serious work. This is durability built into the design. The 4.0-liter V6 is a major reason why. It's been refined over years of real-world use, delivering solid power without being pushed to its limits. With port fuel injection and heavy-duty internal components, these engines routinely surpass 300,000 miles without major rebuilds. Oil consumption stays low, timing chains hold up well, and leaks are minimal even at high mileage. The paired 5-speed automatic may sound outdated, but its simplicity is its strength. While competitors move to more complex transmissions, this one has proven dependable over time, with straightforward fluid servicing and consistent performance even after years of use. Its body-on-frame construction is another key advantage. The thick frame rails and solid mounting points hold up under heavy loads and off-road stress far better than many unibody crossovers. The 4-wheel drive system is mechanical and uncomplicated, with a rugged transfer case and durable differentials designed to last. On top of that, the 4Runner is refreshingly easy to service. There's space to work in the engine bay, components are accessible, and repairs don't require unnecessary complexity, a major reason it remains a long-term ownership favorite. Number 4. Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid completely challenges what the industry treats as common sense. Normally, 3-row SUVs aren't expected to lead in reliability. They're larger, heavier, packed with more components, and built to carry more people, putting extra stress on the engine, transmission, and electrical systems. That added complexity typically means more problems over time, but this one defies that pattern. Consumer Reports gave the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid a reliability score of 88, a result that has competitors paying close attention. Now, let's talk performance. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander offers 3 powertrain options to fit different driving needs. First, a 2.4-liter turbocharged gas engine delivering 265 horsepower. Then, a 2.5-liter hybrid system producing 245 combined horsepower for drivers focused on efficiency. And for those who want serious power, the Hybrid Max pushes out an impressive 362 combined horsepower. All-wheel drive is available on gas and standard on Hybrid Max models, helping the SUV adjust to changing road conditions like rain, snow, or rough pavement. The McPherson strut front and multi-link rear suspension are tuned for a smooth, comfortable ride. Fuel economy remains competitive, up to 24 miles per gallon combined for gas models, 27 miles per gallon for Hybrid Max, and up to 36 miles per gallon combined for the standard hybrid. Towing capacity reaches 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. Toyota also includes Toyota Care with 2 years or 25,000 miles of maintenance and 2 years of roadside assistance. Hybrid models get an 8-year/100,000-mile hybrid system warranty and a 10-year/150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. This is the 2026 Grand Highlander, built for modern families on the move. Number 3. Lexus RX 350. This is where luxury turns into obsession, and Lexus has quietly outmaneuvered every rival because of it. The Lexus RX 350 has been America's best-selling luxury SUV for 14 straight years, despite not being the fastest, flashiest or most technologically aggressive option. Its dominance comes down to one thing competitors overlook: long-term satisfaction. Consumer Reports gives the RX a 93 reliability score, and more impressively, that score has stayed nearly unchanged for 8 years. Most vehicles show decline as they age. The RX doesn't, and the reason is Lexus's extreme testing philosophy. Individual components are torture-tested up to 100,000 cycles before installation. Door handles, seat motors, switches. Everything is repeatedly stressed far beyond normal use. It's costly, excessive by industry standards, and incredibly effective. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 producing 275 horsepower. The design is nearly 2 decades old, but that's the point. It's one of the most reliable engines ever produced, with virtually no reported failures in Consumer Reports data under 200,000 miles. On the road, the RX 350 is intentionally unexciting. It's soft, quiet, and heavily insulated. Enthusiasts criticize it for lacking feedback, but owners don't. After 5 years, 96% report satisfaction. Lexus built comfort, not adrenaline. Inside, the obsession continues. Hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and climate control accurate to within half a degree. RX interiors routinely look new after a decade, while rivals show wear far earlier. One overlooked detail: acoustic glass on every window, plus an extra 120 pounds of sound insulation. Fuel economy suffers slightly, but highway noise nearly disappears. At around $50,000, the RX costs more than mainstream alternatives, but resale values remain among the highest in the segment. The only real flaw is the tiny third row in the RX 350L, largely symbolic. Owners don't mind. Lexus engineered the first 2 rows perfectly, and that's why the RX keeps winning. Number 2. Subaru Outback. There's a reason this vehicle quietly ends up in the driveways of mechanics and engineers. The Subaru Outback isn't officially an SUV, it's a raised wagon, but Consumer Reports groups it with SUVs because of its ground clearance and real-world capability. And this is where it gets interesting. Outback owners are unusually loyal. About 87% replace their Outback with another one. That level of repeat buying is almost unheard of in the auto industry. It's not trend-driven loyalty, it's trust. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the design. The Outback isn't conventionally attractive. Its shape is polarizing, almost like a minivan that decided to hit the gym. Subaru knows this, yet refuses to redesign it. Why? Because their philosophy prioritizes function over style, and that decision has paid off. The Outback uses Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which is fundamentally different from most AWD setups. Power is split 50-50 front to rear all the time, not just when traction is lost. This provides consistent grip in all conditions, but it's more expensive to build. Most competitors avoid it to protect profit margins. Subaru doesn't. The result is impressive. A Consumer Reports reliability score of 89, with owner-reported problems 68% lower than average. There is a trade-off. The Outback is not fast. The base 2.5-liter 4-cylinder produces 182 horsepower, and acceleration is best described as adequate. But that's intentional. Engines that aren't pushed to their limits last longer. While many turbocharged rivals operate near 90% capacity, the Outback's engine typically runs at 60 to 70%, reducing wear and extending lifespan. Inside, everything is designed for durability, not luxury. Hard-wearing materials, simple controls, and a huge cargo area take priority. This is a vehicle built to survive 250,000 miles in harsh climates, not impress in a showroom. Visibility is another hidden advantage. Thin pillars and a massive windshield give the Outback exceptional sightlines. Consumer Reports found it outperformed vehicles loaded with cameras and sensors. Finally, there's the clearance. 8.7 inches, higher than many body-on-frame SUVs. Subaru built a wagon that can go almost anywhere a Jeep can. uses less fuel, costs less to maintain. Number 1. Mazda CX-90. This is the SUV that shocks the automotive world. Mazda, a brand that nearly went bankrupt in the 2000s and once bought engines from Ford just to survive, just built the most reliable 3-row luxury SUV on the market. Mazda stopped chasing flashy tech or brand prestige and perfected the basics. The CX-90 features a naturally aspirated inline-6 engine, a design most brands abandoned. No turbos to fail, no complex boost systems, no direct injection buildup. Just precision engineering built to last. The 8-speed ZF transmission is detuned to work at 60% of its capacity, ensuring it outlasts the vehicle. The rear-wheel drive platform with a longitudinal engine layout mirrors luxury SUVs like the BMW X5 or Mercedes GLE, but costs $40,000 less. Mazda also over-engineered practically everything. Multi-link suspension at all 4 corners, larger forged control arms, thick bushings, and cooling and brake systems rated far beyond normal road use. Even the interior matches luxury standards with genuine maplewood trim, Napa leather, and sound insulation that keeps the cabin at 63 decibels at highway speeds. Mechanics are stunned. The maintenance schedule is minimal, oil changes every 7,500 miles, tire rotations, and very little else. No transmission service, no spark plug replacement until 75,000 miles. Buyers often make the mistake of chasing prestige or tech features only to face expensive repairs. The CX-90 proves that reliability isn't luck, it's engineered. Solid, precise, and obsessively tested, this SUV will still be running perfectly at 150,000 miles while maintaining strong resale value.